Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Have you heard the news? FTC is sending out refunds to players, and some of you might already have cash waiting for you. Whether you have been charged for something you didn't want or faced issues with your Fortnite account, you might qualify for a refund. Today I will break it down: who is eligible, how to claim a refund, and what you need to know about this massive settlement. So let's get started. So here is the deal. Epic Games, the company behind Fortnite, agreed to pay $72 million in refund to settle accusation from Federal Trade Commission or FTC. According to FTC, Epic Games charged players for unwanted purchases, allowed kids to rack up charges without parental consent, and even logged accounts of users who disputed charges. The settlement also required Epic to change its practices, including getting your consent before charging and banning them from locking account over dispute. Major win for players, right? The FTC sending out around $72 million in payments to players in the United States who filed valid claim by October 8, 2024. These refunds are being sent via the payment method you selected, either a check or a PayPal. Refund amount may vary, as some players have reported receiving a little as $50 while others got the maximum $250. If you get a check, make sure to cash it within 90 days, and if you get a PayPal payment, accept it within 30 days. If you missed the October deadline, don't worry, FTC is still reviewing claims filed after that date, and more payments are expected in 2025. So stay tuned for the updates. So wondering if you are eligible? Here are the things you need to keep in mind. If you were charged in-game currency for items you didn't want between January 2017 and September 2022. If your child made unauthorized charges to your credit card between January 2017 and November 2018. And last, your account was logged after disputing charges between January 2017 and September 2022. If any of these apply to you, you might qualify for a refund. And remember, you need to be at least 18 to complete the claim form. If you are under 18, a parent or guardian can help you out. So here is how you can file your claim. First of all, you need to visit this website, use your claim number or Epic account ID to complete the process. If you didn't get a claim number, you can find your Epic account ID by logging into your Fortnite account. The deadline to file a claim is January 10, 2025, so don't miss it out. So before wrapping up this video, let's answer some most common questions. Will my Fortnite account be affected? No, you won't lose any item or access. How much will I get? Refund amount depends on how many people filed valid claims. As per the reports, gamers received minimum of $50 and maximum of $250. When will I get my refund? If your claim is approved, additional payments are expected in 2025 after all claims are reviewed. Can I still apply if I'm outside of United States? Unfortunately, the refund process is only for US players right now. This is a big moment for Fortnite players, so don't miss out. If you think you qualify for refund, check the link in the description to learn more about how to apply before the deadline. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.